Alright, this is a video, a double whammy. I've got the BSA Laser for 20 bucks from Academy and non-factory Glock magazines. I've got the G23, but these are G22 15 rounds. I pulled off to the side of the road. I'm just gonna go pop off a couple rounds right here. Alright, let's see how it goes. Try and rapid fire first. Or none of it. And that's what I was looking for. Jamming. Jamming's bad. And the BSA Laser is starting to come off. It does not work on high caliber. Don't buy that shit.